Okay, welcome back. So right now I'm going to teach you how to use Canva in order to make things cool in your classroom and to use worksheets. So the first thing you want to do is you want to set up a Canva account. Canva's fantastic. It's just something really great to have. I have an account, obviously, so I'm going to create a design. One thing that's awesome, you can even search like banners. So if say I want to do Google Classroom banner. Oh, look at that. We have all these different banners for your classroom. So this one's really cute. I'm going to use this one. Customize this design. Then you could write, welcome to kindergarten. All right. One thing that's really important is you want to resize it. You can make this like 110. And then just remember that this is going to show up in your Google Classroom like there. So I would kind of like move these flowers around, you know, maybe do one there. Maybe do one over here. Maybe move this one over here. Maybe move this one over here. Do up, down, up. Maybe we'll just take that one away. So now, when I'm done, I'm gonna press download, and you want to do it as a JPEG. Download. Now, in the Google Classroom that I had, I'm going to press customize, and I'm going to upload a photo here. I'm going to drag this here, and then you just have to resize it. Sometimes it gets a little wonky, so you just gotta like resize it large, and then press select class theme, and then boom, shows up like that. You can put this as your color, put this as your color. I would do an orange with this personally, and then look, that's what it shows up as. So it looks pretty good if I do say so myself. And that way, when you go to your classrooms, you go to your classroom, you could see this cute little welcome to kindergarten. And that's how you use Canva. Another way to use Canva is you could do lots of different letters. You could do worksheets. You could do whatever your little heart desires. You could do create design, worksheet. Say I wanted to, oh, that's weird. I want to do, nope. It was whiteboard instead. I'm sorry. Hold on 1 second. So create a design, worksheet. Here we go. So now in Canva, I can also look up like writing paper, or I could do kindergarten writing. And then it's like opinion, letter tracing. You can use all these free resources. This is a great tool for, tracing your letters. When I grow up, I want to be alphabet practice. You could do this. Have them do their lowercase. You could do, and then this is add page. So when you're here, you can even click the outside of this, and you could do white, just so it doesn't, you don't have to print everything in color. White, black. Okay, that's a design. So yeah, but you get the gist. And then you can resize it too. So I can make this bigger. I can make it smaller. I personally wouldn't use this for kindergarten just because it is a little tiny. But there is a bunch of different stuff that you can use on here. You could also go to kindergarten writing, and then say you wanted to do letter tracing. Look, they have all this stuff. So look, I'm going to change this color to white. Then you go to design. Look, it shows you how to do all the uppercase. Remember, in kindergarten, you really only use lowercase letters, so try to stick with a lot of the lowercase letters. Obviously, it's good for the kids to get used to writing uppercase as well, but I would just do lowercase. Another thing that's really cool is you can highlight the whole thing. You can stretch it out because I like to make things bigger for kindergarten. Also want to make sure that you have a place for them to write their name. So obviously that's a little large. I'd move this down. I would move this down. I would then add text, add a heading, move this up, have the right name. And then if you go to elements, you can press line. And then boom. You can even change. Oh, no, that's so wonky. That's You can change the thickness of the border of that line to make it a little bit thicker. I can even go like this and move that up. And then when you want to download it as a PDF print, you can go to share, download, PDF print, download. This is going to download all 4 pages. Sometimes if I only want to do one, I would do PDF print. I would highlight all that and I would just go to current page. Unclick all pages, click current page, done. Boom. That is how you use Canva.